This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Carolyn Christian. Discover your dream home in Lucerne Park Reserve with this almost new 4-bedroom, 2-bath gem. Enjoy the open floor plan, flooded with natural light. The large kitchen with quartz countertops is a chef's dream. Retreat to the spacious primary bedroom with double vanities and a walk-in closet. The 2-car garage and fenced backyard offer privacy. The backyard will be resodded at or just before closing. There is a fantastic community pool and playground. The location can't be beat. It is located a short drive to popular attractions such as Disney, Universal Studios, Busch Gardens, Lowry Park Zoo, Hard Rock Casino and beautiful beaches. Tampa and Orlando airports are also within a short drive, making travel a breeze. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to own a piece of paradise. Trust us, you will fall in love with this home. Don't